Record. Hello, this is helpful. I had a student who I'm making this video for had a couple questions on a couple things with how to navigate this world of Canvas. First off, let me say online school is really hard. It's hard to figure out like what all your classes are doing, what all these instructions are. You have technical issues. As a teacher, I've been having technical issues from time to time. I know that one of the things that you have to do is like take a deep breath, relax, think about what the problem is. Sometimes you even have to walk away and come back to it a little later because it can be really frustrating. Uh, so one of the questions I had was, person was like, "This is too small down here. I can't even read it." So the trick is you just click this twice and it's going to open up another screen over here. And that's where you should be doing your work. That's just one of those issues with Canvas. Another question was, I had a student and they're really perplexed, which I totally understand. It's like, how do I turn something in? How do I attach something to an assignment? And so some of you guys are really good at this, but I totally understand. So let me go through the steps. How do I turn something in? How do I attach something to an assignment? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to click this button over here, and that's just going to add another slide. Okay. Then you're going to have to insert, right, what you want to do. And if you come over here, there's a button all the way at the top of the toolbar called Insert. You click that, and it allows you to insert an image, text, perhaps even an audio file or a video. So all these things are possible. Right now for this assignment, like this one is charting data. What you're going to do is come over here, and you're going to select image, and the image is something that you've created, okay? Now there's a couple ways you've done this. So let's say you have the image and you've taken a picture with your Chromebook. Well, your Chromebook is connected to Drive, and that image is going to appear there, perhaps even connected to Photos, right? Or it could be connected to the camera. Now, camera here, I can take a picture, and it's going to allow this access. So let's say you're in class and you've got a chart that you've created. It's going to look a lot better than this, but you created this pie chart and you take it like this, and really what you want to do is just add it. So you could try to get it the best way possible, line it all up, and take a picture, okay? And we can just select any one of these pictures. I'll take the picture myself, right? Actually, I'll take this picture and I'll hit insert. Now, theoretically, things start popping up, okay? Right, and this should get out of here, cancel, okay? Theoretically, that should pop in, but like all things, computer and technological, sometimes we have difficulties, right? And for some reason, that I had a difficulty there. So I'm going to grab this picture that I took. I'm going to drag it over and see if that works. Didn't. Well, I'm having trouble. So let's try another method. So the camera didn't really seem to work straight off the bat. But let's say I went over here and I took a bunch of pictures anyway. All right. And I saved some of these onto my computer. So if I saved it onto Google Photos. With those, I can just add those pictures over, okay? Now, I'd really like to see how this works, but let me show you a couple other things that I understand. Sometimes you have that image and you've saved it on your computer. You can upload you can upload this from your computer. So if we have an image here, you can add those, like this is the one I was using the other day, and you can add it from something you've actually saved on your Chromebook or on your computer. And then sometimes, not for this assignment right now, but sometimes you can search the web and you might type in data. And it'll give you all sorts of options on information that you can add to your information, okay? Now, I just wanted to throw that out, and hopefully that starts to help a little bit, but there are a lot of things in here that can be difficult. I think the camera options might be one of the easiest, and it was sort of odd that this didn't work. Oh, I see. So if I go over to the camera option, you should be able to see this. I'm going to click with 2 fingers on my mouse pad, and I'm going to bring up this screen, and I'm going to select Save Image. So here it's going to download image. I could rename it, and I'm going to call it Quick Graph. Right? And then I'm going to hit Save, and it saves it over here. I hit Cancel here, and it saves it down here in this bottom. I'm going to do 2 things. I can just select it, push down on the button, and drag it over, and then here it shows up. So I hope that helps you understand like how to insert things into the slideshow. And if you have any more questions, just please, please, please let me know, because all I want to do is help you get through these projects. And when you're working on projects, you're always learning.